Alright guys, we're doing a few things today. Anyways, today's install is all about knowing how fast you're going when you're spooling, even though the speedometer only goes up to 80. Some things you just gotta do. So welcome to pretty much episode 2.5 of 280Z X turbo build. So really doesn't have anything to do with the turbo part, but it is a pretty crucial part. It's always nice to know how fast you're going. So that's what we're doing today. Trying to figure out where we're gonna route this thing through.
That's it.
Smells like pure Japanese 70s.
Aha!
Ooh, yikes. Alright, one of the worst parts about doing this is jacking it up because this thing doesn't have the cleanest body. It's a little rusty, just a little.
This is only slightly sketchy.
You know when you're like in that weird phase when you're like 12 and you stopped hanging out with your friends outside and you're playing video games now, so you left your Mongoose bicycle out for a few weeks and it got caught in the rain? Yeah, that's this kind of rusty.
Except there's holes in it. It's not just surface. I still have mine in the backyard. Like, not gonna lie, I still have mine.
Dude, I did for years. It used to be like silver and blue.
I need to get on OfferUp for like 20 bucks.
We're just selling stuff. We're having a fire sale. It's a fire sale. It's probably not an appropriate term for California since it's always on fire, but like we got everyone's favorite Fiesta ST owner on the way to drop off some stands, so that'll help us. Safety's number one. We got Buzz Lightyear over here. Alright, so Bailey snapped this cable quite some time ago, so he just zip tied it, sort of. What'd you zip tie it to exactly?
Anything.
Okay, so
just like the transmission cross member, the exhaust, like, because it's like literally shredded. So
what a guy. Getting a little peek at the underbody here.
Paint your car.
Yeah, everyone's always saying paint the car before you do anything, but obviously, guys, like the body's not in the best condition, so like painting it, it's sort of. You'd have to repair a lot of the body damage.
So that's what it is. It sits in the transmission and spins. That's supposed to be a solid cable. Literally snapped it off.
How exactly did you snapped it on a speed bump?
You know, over by Mountain View Tire, you know that like if you go up the back where it like comes up to like a Mount Everest.
Oh my god, you went over Mount Everest?
So I didn't destroy my front.
Yeah.
And all I felt was a little like, and I was like, I thought about it too. I was like, watch, that's probably the speed cable because people have told me before, like, you can hit them really easy.
Yeah.
Like, I started going, I looked down, I was like, oh, that's not good. It's not moving. And like opened my door and looked under. I just see like on the ground. I was like, yeah, there we go. It's over.
Dude, that's honestly bad. That's a bad spot.
I took the 370 over it too. I hit the exhaust and I'm stock height.
Yeah, no, I hit my exhaust when I was stock height too. It was bad.
What were they thinking
about to sue the city, dude?
Alright, so I'm just gonna, this goes into the transmission, then I'm just gonna follow it up and around, and then it comes up and around right here. But this is the cable right here. It just comes up from down here, so I'll just stick it up, shove it in, it goes into the firewall right there, and then we just gotta go up underneath and connect this bad boy.
Not bad. Seems pretty straightforward, just a matter of reaching. Dude, this is turning into like a spandex fetish video. Okay. Someone out there's gonna be yanking it to that clip. Nice banana tension rods, buddy.
The banana, the shitty spray paint job. And then these are the banana control arms. Committed, dude. In the coil.
We need other banana boy. We need the other banana boy to come back, make a comeback. I don't think we've even announced on a video yet, but Brand's Corrado blew up again, so he's thinking about switching to something else, but we'll keep that a secret for now. Ooh. A little view of the back side from underneath. Ooh. Little train handle.
Expose my rust.
I'm exposing the fuck out of you right now. There's a hole right there.
I know.
What the hell? Where does that go?
Which one?
This one.
Oh, that one goes into the spare tire.
Oh, which one? Jesus Christ.
There's so many, dude.
Oh man, gotta love it though. Gotta love it. Adds character. That's what none of the young kids appreciate, man.
None of them are
sound.
Subframe still pretty solid. All back here, like the back half of the frame rails are still really good.
Subframe's probably more solid than half the E46 M3s out there, honestly. Oh, I think I hear a little buddy coming. You can fucking see him coming, Jesus. Alright, I'm about to get some insurance money, kids. This is how you do it right here. Duck, 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 and run out right in front of this shit. What is that? What is that? No! No! He sufficed. He sufficed, I don't know.
What?
The ST Racing seatbelt cover.
Oh yeah!
You caught that?
Anthony gave it to me.
Oh really?
Yeah, he doesn't like him in the back seat.
Oh, okay. Nice. What a guy. Hey, you got the stands? You got the stuff?
But you can't have them though. You can't have them though.
Oh, that's fucked up. Hey.
So you do quick release interior panels. One
Always a
screw,
plus.
and
Dude, I
it's
think
out.
many might be quicker. I just take a screwdriver to it, and it just comes right
penis
on.
breath. I got you your cup stands. No problem. Penis breath.
What a guy.
What a guy.
Got his ass. I like your battery strap, Bailey. Too bad that won't pass at race legal.
Too bad it's never going to race legal.
You're a pussy. If you boost it, you gotta take it to race legal.
No, because then he has to launch it.
Past tag. So wait, why won't a rack just drive past tag?
Bailey's yoga class is really starting to come in handy now. Getting that benditure.
Yo. Want to see Carpet Man? Carpet Man!
Oh, you just exposed him, dude. You just exposed him.
Hey Bailey. What kind of carpet is that? Let me put that shit in my house.
That's fucked up. This man's bending over. He can't defend himself right now.
If he does.
$20 a square foot, dude.
Damn, this is fancy.
It's foreign.
Yeah,
It's
imported.
exotic.
Exotic. Look at the Puma underwear he's copping too.
Yo, that's expensive ass underwear, dude.
Yeah, I got that Hanes going, dog.
Dude.
Got that X-Temp.
Oh, shit, dude, what did I got going? Yeah, I got that Hanes
hell
gang,
yeah,
boy.
dude.
Let's go.
Internals of it. So I had it zip tied like in a bow.
You're gonna get your speedometer working?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Shoving that new one under there. Boom, it's installed. You're good to go.
Yep. Just
Yep,
throw
just-
it in there.
Can one of you grab this in the engine bay?
Yes. I guess if you have to. That was
Over here.
that was sus as fuck.
Yeah, just doing this certified me for master technician for Nissan. I'm just saying.
Congratulations on your ASCs.
ASC certified.
certified,
Hey.
Fuck y'all.
Everyone congratulate Sam in the comments.
Thank you. Thank you. I will take your congratulatory praises. No, not your.
We got a fridge tour
Let's steal
here.
your poultry.
Did you just call it upholstery?
I did.
What are you doing?
Taking your fucking.
No, don't take my meat, dude. What do you want?
You gonna take
Taking
me?
no chicken. Those are wings. I'm gonna let you
Oh,
have
those are
those.
wings?
Understand.
They having wings in houses? Fucked up.
Yeah.
Exposed.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Jake, what you do? You seen this coming at you in the middle of the night?
The Speedo cable or you?
Both. Me with a speedo cable.
I'm bending right over.
Yeah. No gay shit though.
It's literally a cable.
Install.
Holy fuck.
Install right here.
What'd you do?
Dude, you're right. Because you put it there, and it measures like how many pebbles you pass per minute. Like
Yeah.
how many you run over
You
per
put it
minute.
right here.
And then and then it translates to your dash.
Install. Install done.
It's not miles per hour. It's like many pebbles hit. That's what it is. That's what it stands for.
Boy, boy. Help. Help. You didn't even need my motherfucking jack stands. You fucking asshole.
Just stuffing this little boy in there.
That goes in there. Those go in there.
Well, one of those and a little one of these. And you're done.
Just about.
Just about.
Just a boot.
Just a boot. No, you cut the boot, remember?
I did. I'm really sad about that.
Some good old electrical tape, or if you're me and Sam, some good old hockey sock tape right there.
Yeah.
Fuck the clear tape, dude. I only rock electrical tape.
I don't think it's gonna stick. I got too much dirt on it. What?
When was the last time you ran it?
Like
I ran
15
it.
minutes
Yeah,
ago.
when was the last? Oh. Alright, bet. I'm gonna put air in your system.
Don't. This thing's such a bitch to bleed. Don't do that.
Bailey's gonna finesse it under there. Just plug it in.
Well, you're gonna like get it.
What's happening?
Gotta let this moth know that we got shooters out here.
Yo, where you at, huh?
I don't know where the fuck you go.
It's stuck in there.
Where?
Right here.
Stuck right there. Let him know we got shooters.
Yeah. Why don't you stab him, Sam?
Hit me in the face.
He's on your.
Oh, there he is. He's back there. He's back there. He's back there.
What if I got him with the knife, though? No.
Alright, this is the one clip that is the exception of dim lighting, but we got to show you all Jeremy's car now that it's dumped. Took
He
3
did
hours.
the fronts by himself, and then we did the rears
Nice.
together.
Good for him.
Look at that camber.
We'll get a better view in the daytime too, but
No, it's good.
it's pretty good.
I really like it, honestly.
Oh yeah. Yeah, dumped on the stockies. You gotta respect the hustle.
Hey, I gotta ask you a question, alright?
Just taking a turn for the worst, guys. Subframe fell out, so. You listen to K-Frog?
Oh my god. No. Hey, you know whose radio it's
keep
not?
Listening, Alright, but this took a turn. This took a turn for the worst. Subframe fell out. We gotta weld that shit back in.
My Harbor Freight.
Just E46 things.
I made that joke earlier. Hey!
Thank you. I shook it with the wrong hand. It's a sign of disrespect.
The Blue Ranger.
Dude, you gotta see all these fucking Roblox death memes I have on my iPhone. Use that as a thumbnail for like top 10 welding fails. Oh, who's that sexual predator Hollywood edition? Yes. This is the one, dude. This is the one.
Nothing like Olive Garden mints after a hard day's work. Wait, I have to get this napkin so it doesn't make a mess when it melts. Ooh, it's a message. I'm in the front room.
That's so dumb. Alright, boys, that thing's in. Crusty one's in the can.
Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, no, it's good. I'm just gonna put the kick panel back on.
Alright, gotta put the kick panel back on. Alright, guys, me and Bailey are gonna go for a little test around the block right here, real quick, to see if the Speedo cable works. Hopefully it does. Should.
Is to not. Oh,
don't clap, please.
Can you make it out of my own driveway?
Yeah.
Responsibly
brutal. Oh, moment of truth. I'm gonna be outside. Oh! I didn't think he was gonna go!
Oh, baby,
Oh,
we're back.
baby.
They all working again.
There we go. We got all the Gagey boys working.
It's been a while since I've had one.
Damn. Must be nice. I mean, I have a working one too, so I don't know why I'm saying it must be nice.
Because Brandon's doesn't work and he never fixed it.
That is true. Damn. Alright, successful install, successful day. Buy Mad Spool sticker. Helps out the build tremendously for the turbo. RPM gauge is still a little wet. Well, we got plenty more goodies coming on the channel, so stay tuned. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next one. It works. Good day. Good day. Fun install. Catch you guys in the next video. Any last words?
Me?
Yeah.
My last words?
Your last words?
My last words. Go Bears. Go Bears.
Go Bears.
Go Bears.
It's over.